Do not adjust your sets. What you're seeing right now is, well, it was sunny here, and now it is a bank of fog literally just rolled into Port Colborne, as you can see. And Frontenac there is probably about 70 meters in front of me. You can only just about see it. And if I spin around there, you can only just about see the top of the Clarence Street Bridge. As I was saying, welcome to a very foggy, well, suddenly foggy, Port Colborne. It was like 15 degrees a minute ago, but now the fog's rolled in, the temperature's starting to drop. So just behind me here is CSL's Frontenac, and the bridge, which the BBC Tokyo hit, is there. We could see it a minute ago, but it's now gone. So, oh, it's starting to clear again. So hopefully the fog will clear before the NACC Argonaut makes its way through here. My gimbal, there we go, come back gimbal, there we go. So we're just waiting for that. So patiently waiting for the next ship. Oh, it's starting to clear again. It does look like the actual fog is now receding. It came in like 15 minutes ago. It was clear skies here. It's really clear, and in 15 minutes it went foggy, and it looks like it's now retreating again. How bizarre. Let's have a quick look at the Algosolis as it's coming through, heading towards the Welland Canal. It's just come off Lake Erie out of the fog. You can probably see a bit of haze just in front of it. About an hour ago it was very cloudy here, and now the sun's come out. It's really starting to warm up. Alright, turn that around. The Algosolis is just going to start passing Frontenac, which has been here for a little while now. If you may recall, in the winter layup, she arrived for layup, and about 2 weeks after laying up, she got called into duty again and had to do a couple of salt runs, and it's probably why she's not back in service yet. She had some work done on it just recently, I believe, while she's been here, but looks like she's probably ready to go soon. Quietly does it. Oil chemical tanker Algosolis. It's creeping right in slowly. So quiet. The noise you can hear more than the ship is the pneumatic compressors up by the bridge there during the inspection. Nicely in the frame there. bulbous bow. Just peeking out ever so slightly. She now just goes right alongside Frontenac. It's gliding through the water, so smooth. Turned out to be a pleasant day down here at Port Colborne. It's currently like 14, 15 degrees Celsius. Always gets me. I still jumped every time. Every time. It should come with a warning, that. Sorry about the wobble. I'm sure the guys on the bridge saw me jump there. I'm quite positive they did. There she goes, heading out. Let's just say out, heading into the Welland Canal, heading towards the Bridge, the Clarence Street Bridge. Gotta get my bridges correct. Clarence Street Bridge. You can see us on the back of this vessel, but the Algosolis was originally named the Eli Knutsen. You just see that emboss there on the back of the vessel on the stern. It's pretty cool. All right, there you have it. Quick, short one for you. All right, there you have it. Algosolis heading in to the Welland Canal. Until the next video, see you all very soon. Take care. See you soon.